Hello everyone, good evening and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, the entire world is talking only about one particular technology, or you can say AI, and that becomes the buzzword of today's world, and that is ChatGPT. And in this video, I will take you through that what exactly we can use ChatGPT for and how ChatGPT will help all of us in our academics and other social media activities. So let's explore. In this video, I will show you 10 best use cases of ChatGPT by student and other academicians. And the ChatGPT actually is a large language model developed by OpenAI, and it generates human-like text. In this video, I will focusing you top 10 ways ChatGPT can be used to improve our daily lives. The first one is content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate articles, blog posts, and even entire books for you, your notebooks, your notes, or class assignments. This can save time for writers, content creators, and allowing them to do other stuffs. Second one, social media management. All of us are managing our social media. So ChatGPT can manage our social media posts, captions, even entire conversations. And this can help businesses as well as individuals to save times and increase their engagement in the social media network. Third thing, email and messaging. Daily we are emailing thousands of mails or messaging thousands of messages to our friends. So ChatGPT can generate these emails and messages for your business or yourself to communicate with your clients and customers. Fourth one, chatbot. ChatGPT can be used as a chatbot that can understand and respond to the natural languages which we speak. This can help businesses and organizations to improve customer services and automated repetitive tasks. Next one, language translation. Suppose you are speaking some other language, your clients are speaking some other language. ChatGPT can convert those languages into your understandable languages, and you can also able to learn those languages too. Next one, text summarization. ChatGPT will read the entire documents, articles, reports, and it will give you a crisp and solid points to explain all those points in a very lucid manner. Next advantages of ChatGPT is question and answer. ChatGPT can be used to answer questions, making it useful tool for researchers as well as students. Next advantage is text complete. ChatGPT can be used to complete sentences, paragraphs, or even entire documents. This can help writers and content creators save time and increase their productivity. Next is sentiment analysis or mood analysis, you can say. ChatGPT can be used to analyze all the sentiment in a particular document or text, which can be useful for businesses and organizations to understand what exactly lies behind those texts. Next one, text generation. ChatGPT can be used to generate text, which can be useful in creative writing, script writing, and many more other steps as well. So, as we can see, ChatGPT has a wide range of use from create content creation to language edit. So, with its ability to understand and respond to natural languages, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for businesses, organizations, or individuals like you and me.